Once Gautam Buddha was going towards a village with his disciples. Then he saw a young man going towards the hill in a very angry way. Buddha understood on seeing him that either he was going to kill someone or he himself was going to commit suicide. As the young man was about to jump off the hill, Gautam Buddha immediately grabbed his hand and pulled him. Seeing this, the young man said, "Leave my hand. This is my life. I will do whatever I want with him. You will not stop me." Buddha said, "Okay, you go and jump again. But first wait 10 minutes. Take 10-12 long breaths and open your palm. Only then I will let you commit suicide again. Not before that." The young man said, "You are troubling me so unnecessarily. I am already so upset. But if you say, okay, then I take long breaths 10-12 times. I open my palms. After that, you won't stop me from committing suicide." The young man closed his eyes, took 10-12 long breaths and opened his palms and then slowly opened his eyes. Then Buddha said that, "Okay, now you can go." The young man went towards the hill. As soon as he took a step forward, looked down the hill, he turned back and came back and said to Buddha, "Who are you? I haven't seen a majestic person from you till today. What happened to me right now? Can you please explain to me? Some time ago I would have jumped off this hill, but now a fear has arisen." Buddha smiled and said, "When you were about to jump off the hill, then there was anger in you. Anger destroys the power to think. Our intellect stops working at that time. At that time, you again do what your mind says. At that time, you were angry. Your mind was not in your place. At that time, you wanted to kill yourself. But when you closed your eyes and took long breaths and opened your palms, then both your brain and mind became calm and your negative energy turned into positive energy, due to which your intellect got control and you were able to take right decision." The young man said, "Who are you?" Buddha said that the people of this world call me Buddha. The young man fell at the feet of Buddha and said, "O Buddha, take me under your shelter. I wanted to teach my father a lesson, so I was going to commit suicide." Buddha said that by committing suicide, one cannot do anything with this body. As long as we have this body, we can do anything, but if this body is not there, then we cannot do anything. The young man says, "You are right, Buddha, but you do not know that my father has humiliated me a lot. He interrupts me on everything. He used to love me very much in childhood. After that, he sent me to Gurukul to get education. I always thought that I would make him proud by studying deeply, and my father would be very happy to see all this. When I came back after completing my education, I told my father that I have memorized all the scriptures, Vedas, Upanishads, and there is no one more knowledgeable than me. Then instead of being happy, he tells me that do not give yourself the illusion of being more knowledgeable, nor bring ego in yourself. I just wanted to show them how deeply I have studied. I started going to big scriptures. Everyone started getting influenced by my knowledge. Everyone considered me a great knower, but my father did not agree that he would reach in the middle of my debate and find out some or the other deficiency in my knowledge and would humiliate me in front of everyone. He used to humiliate even my friends living with me by saying that he would ruin my life because he used to support me, used to admire my knowledge. I could not understand why he is doing this. Then my friends told me that he was jealous of me because he could not acquire as much knowledge as me. One day my father came to know that my friends made me drink because of my titles. He reached there looking for me and slapped me there in front of everyone. I felt very insulted. Then I decided that I have to teach my father a lesson, and I came here to commit suicide. Because what can be a bigger lesson for a father than this? When he picks up his son's coffin, he will realize what mistake he has made. Buddha smiled and said, "Tell me one thing. If the knowledge that drives you to commit suicide, then what is the use of that knowledge? Where is it good that it is not able to stop you from doing a wrong thing?" The young man said, "You are right, Buddha. Now I am feeling ignorant myself. You take me under your shelter. I want to get knowledge from you." Buddha said that you stay with me for 4 days and then you go to your father's house. Go to your father's house after midnight and go inside quietly without any movement. Then you will get the first knowledge of life. The young man stayed with Buddha for 4 days, and the next day he went to his father. When he reached his house at midnight, he saw that his mother was lying very ill on the bed, and tells the young man's father that, "Today my son is away from me because of your strictness. If you were not so strict, he would not have left the house today." He looks at his father. He sees that in whose eyes till today he had not seen tears, today he is sitting with moist eyes. His father says that I did not want to hurt him, just he did not get ego in him. He used to remove him. Only then he used to go there and tell the shortcomings inside him, so that someone else listening to me can tell him his shortcomings and make him proud of his knowledge, because the ego of a person always drowns him. But there was no one except me in that crowd who would tell him about his mistakes. Then I decided that I would make him aware of his mistakes, but he always listened to his friends without listening to me. And for one day, and when he started drinking, then my heart hurt so much. And then I realized that maybe there was something wrong with my upbringing. I just couldn't be a good father, which my son did. But don't you worry, I will find her from anywhere. The young man's mother says that I searched him everywhere, but he was nowhere to be found. My mind says that Gautam Buddha has stayed in a village some distance away from here. He must be there. You go there and see him. The young man was standing there, listening to all these things. Tears were flowing from his eyes. He quietly left from there and reached to Buddha and said to Buddha, "Buddha, if you had not stopped me for committing suicide on that day, what a great sin I would have committed." Buddha told the young man, "The biggest mistake of this life is to commit suicide. This life you have not taken yourself. It has been given to you, so you have no right to destroy it by yourself. Tomorrow morning your father will come back here. Tomorrow morning you go with him to pay off his debt." The young man has said, "Buddha, I find all my knowledge in vain. You expose the truth. I want to learn from you by staying with you. Join me in your Sangh." Buddha said that tomorrow morning when your father comes, then you should talk to him and take orders from him. And then if you feel that you need to attain enlightenment, then the doors of Sangh are open to all. What did you learn from this story? Do tell in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel. I will always improve myself to get more better contents for you.